So hi guys, so in this video we're gonna see how to learn the English and how to speak the English and also how to don't fear about that while you speaking the English. Why I am saying is because of the lot of the student and a lot of the fresher like the beginner they are struggling to speak English. But the some of time that maybe the some people are the ignoring some of the time. Why I'm saying is if you think I gonna speak some in front of the so many people, I am stuck, I am fear about that word. Like the every person being like the initially they are also struggling like this kind of the thing. But those people are also they are practicing the everyday communication skills in front of our room, ourselves. Why I am saying is if you start simple, don't think the much, don't overthink in the lot of because of the every person has a unique. Here you can also speak little bit the good, the trust your mind and trust yourself also. The simple start, that if you go to the somewhere in the outside some supermarket or going to your college or university or school, so start simple. Like if you speaking the word your mother tongue, it is okay, but the some of time the English word, yeah, you can the use it in your while you speaking. Because of if like I'm speaking in front of like in my friends or in my supermarket, it's okay. But the every person has a unique, the every person has a take of some of that time. I'm also the English beginner because of still the I think the 12 years of schools I am not studying the English in the fully because of I haven't like the aware about that. Like I don't know the much important the English in the world or in the environment because of I'm came from the some of the rural area. I don't know the how is the important the English, but when they came to the city side, I realized some of the English it's important because of if you speak to some people or some stranger, yeah, you can easily speak with the English. If I speaking the English, it is the quite good, but also I enjoying that. I'm also thinking that some of time, like if I speak the English in front of some of the people or the strangers, but like I'm happy for that. Like I felt happy and at that time. Why? I don't know. If I speaking in my mother tongue, I'm also some of time good but while I am speaking in my mother tongue, I'm also using the instead of the lot of the word in the English. I'm speaking with my parents. I'm speaking with my sisters and brother. So like I don't know. I'm also using the English. I don't know what is the reason, but I am enjoying that. If I speaking the English in the some of time while I'm speaking my parents and my brother, they asked me, so what is the word you would said? I don't know to understand, but I repeated. So sorry, I forgot. So like if you speaking with your family like your mother tongue because of they don't know the English. Like after that, I said in my own language that word. So it is good for me also. Like I'm also the learning, but I have into the environment because of if you have into the environment while you speaking in your surrounding. So try this, the make and build your environment in the English. So I guys like why I'm saying this the important for your environment. If in your environment the English it's a there, it is a useful for you. Like yeah, you can easily the learning at least a 1 month. I think it is enough for me. I think if you speaking in the English, I think so. So in this video, I mean like yeah, you can still the learning so short simple guys. So if you interested like speak with me, so please let me know in the comment section. I create some Google link, we gonna discuss at also like the conversation like video we post on my YouTube channel. So thank you for the supporting and also watching my videos. So if I any made a mistake, please let me know in the comment section. I will correct them in the next video or upcoming videos. Okay, thank you for the watching and keep giving the supporting. So please share your friends and also like and subscribe my channels. Okay, thank you for the watching. We gonna see next video.